Foods for healthy liver. 9 foods that are good for your liver. The liver is the powerhouse of our bodies. It performs a wide range of tasks to make our bodies function correctly. One of them is detoxification. The liver eliminates many toxic compounds from the body. It also stores glycogen, vitamins, and minerals. Proper functioning of the liver is important for the optimal health of our bodies. In today's video, we will show you 9 foods that are good for your liver. Number 1. Tea. Tea is widely consumed globally due to the wide range of benefits it provides to the consumer. The most common use of drinking tea is to maintain a healthy liver. A recent study has suggested that drinking 10 cups of green tea every day will improve liver health blood markers. Some studies also suggest that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients showed an improvement in liver enzyme levels by drinking green tea. Green tea also helped those patients in reducing oxidative stress and fat deposits in the liver. Additionally, green tea is known to help people in preventing liver cancer as well. Black tea possesses the same importance in maintaining liver health. A study has found that black tea extracts upturned to high-fat diets adverse effects on the liver and improved liver health's blood markers. Do you find this video interesting? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Luckily, antioxidants play a very vital role in liver health. Naringin and naringin are the 2 antioxidants that are present in grapefruits. They also help the liver from preventing injuries by lessening inflammation. Grapefruits also kindle the liver and help create poisonous materials into substances that can be engrossed by water. A recent study has revealed that naringin helps lower the liver's fat amount during a high-fat diet. It also increases the number of essential enzymes for burning fat and prevents extra fat from building up. These antioxidants can also lower the production of hepatic fibrosis, a baleful condition in which extra connective tissues start accumulating in the liver. Hepatic fibrosis occurs from chronic inflammation. The antioxidant naringin is of great importance as well. It enhances the ability to metabolize alcohol and respond to the harmful effects of alcohol. Number 3. Garlic. Many people tend to avoid garlic in their diets, but if they know how beneficial this herb could be for their health, they will never miss a chance to eat it. Garlic promotes liver health because of the presence of sulfur. It activates the liver enzyme, which helps the body in flushing out toxins from it. Garlic also possesses another important compound, selenium. Selenium plays a very vital role in boosting the antioxidant level in the liver. Selenium supplements can also be very useful in combating the damage that happens due to oxidative stress. Number 4. Beetroot. The beetroot or its juice might taste the worst to you, but it provides many health benefits. This vegetable is loaded with vitamin C and has a very healthy dose of fiber, which acts as a cleanser for our digestive system. It also helps by increasing the oxygen levels and cleansing our blood. The cleansing of blood occurs by breaking down toxins that should be excreted faster by the body. Some antioxidants are also present in the beetroot. Beta-alanes are among them. They not only provide benefits to the heart, but also lessen oxidative damage and inflammation. Doctors and many researchers have suggested that drinking beetroot juice is more beneficial than just eating it. Studies have suggested that beetroot juice alleviates oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver and boosts natural detoxification enzymes production. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal smoothies or oatmeal cereals are very beneficial for your liver health. If you are already eating the oatmeal, that is good. But if you aren't eating them in your breakfast or morning cereals right away, they are filled with fiber. Thus, they promote satiety and gut health. Fiber plays a very vital role in digestion and can help promote liver health as well. Oatmeal is rich in a compound called beta-glucans. They are active in the body, help the immune system in controlling and fighting against inflammation. These compounds also fight against debates and obesity. They have also shown to reduce stored fat in the liver, hence protecting the liver. Instead of buying the packaged oatmeal, try adding whole oats to your diet plans. Not only are these oats natural, but they also contain all the natural compounds that your liver requires. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are very healthy and delicious at the same time. They are rich in an antioxidant known as anthocyanins. Because of this compound, the color of berries appears blue. Blueberries provide a variety of health benefits, and liver health is among them. Blueberries juice and its extract help the liver in maintaining optimal health. Eating berries for a whole month can protect the liver from damage. Also, they help in increasing the immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes. Recent research has suggested that antioxidants present in berries slowed down the development of lesions and fibrosis. Blueberries extract very beneficial in hindering the development of human liver cancerous cells. To boost the number of antioxidants in your liver and make it healthier and happier, blueberries are a great way to do so. The number 7. Nuts. The nuts are rich in healthy fats and other vital nutrients that maintain our overall health. They have an abundance of vitamin E and antioxidants, which are very beneficial for liver health. A study has suggested that people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease had improved liver enzyme levels because of consuming nuts. Men who tend to eat small quantities of nuts and seeds had a risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease compared to men who eat more nuts. Number 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Brussels sprouts, mustard greens, broccoli fall under the category of cruciferous vegetables. The vegetables are high in fiber and have a very different taste. Along with that, they contain plant compounds that are very vital for liver health. Broccoli extract enhances the number of detoxification enzymes and protects the liver from damage. Another interesting fact is that the effect of plant compounds in cruciferous vegetables remains the same ever after cooking. The extract of broccoli is also known to improve liver levels and eliminate oxidative stress. These vegetables also possess the ability to prevent liver failure. Moreover, cruciferous vegetables can be added to our meals quickly. You can eat them by roasting them slightly or making some salad out of them. Number 9. Olive oil. Unlike other oils, olive oil is filled with healthy fats due to its health benefits. One of those is improving heart health and boosting metabolism. Among other benefits that olive oil provides, it also promotes liver health. It can be useful for people suffering from NAFLD. Consuming a small amount of it can help in improving liver enzyme and fat levels. Another benefit of this magic oil is that it doesn't allow fat to build up and help the blood flow better. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity and maintains blood sugar levels. Fat buildup inside the liver is when the first stage of liver disease begins. But thanks to the superhero olive oil that prevents this buildup and protects the liver health. The liver is a vital organ, and many life functions are associated with it. Exercise properly, follow a healthy diet, and don't forget to incorporate the food mentioned above in your diet for a healthy and happy liver. These foods will help you maintain overall liver health in numerous ways. Did you find this video helpful or informative? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.